And it goes a little something like.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bethany Lynn and I'm back with another video for you guys. It's a hair video and I am going to be doing my little one's hair today. Say hey. So yeah, as you can see, it's all over her head, all over the place, and it's really curly too. So yeah, I am going to be showing you guys how I moisturize it and all that good stuff, and I might braid it. I don't know. I have to see how she acts, because she's real tender-headed, so it doesn't take much for her to be done. She's ready to get up and get done, be out of the chair. So yeah. But before we get into the video, I need you guys to remember like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell. And also share my videos. Alright, you ready to get into it?
Yeah.
You ready to get your hair done?
Yeah.
Are you tender-headed, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we'll get right into the video.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today it's Mama here and me. Today we are be doing my hair and then enter into braid back here.
Yes. Good job, girl. Even though we already did the intro, good job. Good job. Okay, guys. So I'm getting ready to section her hair, and I just normally do it with my hands, and then try to section it into 4 sections. And then I will start to put the product in her hair, and this is the stuff that I like to use on her. You want to hold it? The leave-in conditioner. I use that, and then I also
Use that because
we also use this one. Let's see, can you see that?
Yeah.
Natural hair milk.
And then natural hair. That's natural hair milk now.
And that one is a moisturizing lotion.
It's not even lotion, but it is.
It is. That's what it's called. Hair lotion.
I thought that much gone, Mama.
We're putting lotion in your hair.
Mama.
What?
It looks like it's more gone right there by the camera.
Don't it?
Yeah.
So I hope you guys are all having a good day. Hope you guys are having a productive day.
And if you a thumbs up.
Yeah, and give the video a thumbs up. Yeah, look at those curls. Do you like your curls, baby?
Yeah.
They are cute.
Mom, my hair is only that this part, the parts right there, and making the big braids all right there, guys.
Yeah, we'll see. And then also, you guys, I have this brush. It's that new brush that everybody's ranting and raving about.
We all share
I don't know.
it.
It's a knockoff one that I have. It doesn't have a name on it. But anyway, this is the brush that I use to help get her tangles out. It's not too bad of a brush. I don't know. It's funny trying to get, it's kind of hard getting used to, let's see. See how it separates? It was kind of hard for me getting used to that. So when I comb her hair, I just hold it together like this and brush. That way it doesn't fan out on me so bad. I'm going to hold it.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm putting the...
Mommy, you got grease on it.
It's okay. It's okay. Putting the moisturizing lotion in there, the hair milk. Get these curls popping. I just love this stuff. It smells really good too, and it helps bring her curls out. Helps define her curls.
Mom, you got some.
Girl, it's okay. Promise. Alright, so let's brush this section. This is the part she does not like. Okay, clean up in the camera.
That curl. Look at
Look at
that.
those curls.
Look Look at that.
Okay, got that section done. Now do the back section here. Oh, and y'all, her hair, it is always tangling because it's just so curly. So this brush really does help with getting the tangles out. It really does. I can't lie about that.
It doesn't even hurt my hair, guys.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, that curls back there.
Ooh.
1, 2, 3, go.
Sing it. You gonna sing for him? You gonna sing? I think you should.
Not to.
You don't? You don't want the people to hear you sing?
Mommy. Mama, that look like the almond curls right there.
Okay, guys. So look down for Mama. Got it all combed out. Woo-hoo. And do mohawk. So yeah, got it all combed out now, and I'm getting ready to section it so I can try to do something with it. I don't know, braid it. She wants 2 braids, so we will see how that goes. Why are you looking so serious? Why my baby looking so serious? Well, that's what I'm saying. This is the part that makes it a little difficult.
Okay, lay down.
Of course,
Right here.
she's 4, so she's moving all over the place. No, we can't lay down. No, you can't lay down to get your hair done. Girl, be nice, but you can't do that. You're going to have your hair messed up. You want your hair messed up, do you?
No.
No.
Well, I have dimples now. I'm gonna have dimples.
Yes, you do.
It's fine out now.
What?
Mama, they just said she don't have dimples yesterday.
She did.
She said she don't. Mama, but I have some dimples.
Okay, so Mommy's just going to do half. Okay?
Okay.
I'm going to braid half of it, and then we'll put the rest of it in the ponytail. Okay, guys, so I am switching it up. I'm going to section it. Look down for Mama. I'm going to section it through here, and this is the part I'm going to be braiding. So 2 braids on this side, and then I'll just put the rest of the hair into the braid as ponytails.
That inside right there because it's have 2 insides.
I'm just going to clip this back part out of the way. What are you talking about?
I said that inside and this inside over here.
Okay. And so, guys, I'm using this stuff here. Let's see if you can see it.
The edges.
24-hour edge control. 24-hour edge tamer by Eben. Eben? I'm not quite sure how you say it. But anyway, EBIN. Put this on her edges. Alright guys, now I got that side done. Can you show?
The braid is
Now we'll work on this side. Somebody's getting sleepy. Somebody's getting sleepy. Okay. Hold your head up. Show them in the camera. Okay. Hold your head down. Alright guys. This is the finished look. Let me get those
got
baby.
some hair on me.
Sorry. Can't forget about those edges. The baby hairs. See it. Sit up. No. Alright guys, hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys like this hairstyle. You like the hairstyle, baby?
Yeah.
It's cute. Bouncy, 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 bouncy. And hopefully you guys can try it out on your little ones. And like I said, like always, like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, and share my videos. And thank you guys for watching, and you guys enjoy the rest of your day and have a blessed one. Peace and God bless.